is all about the art of communication. And the Aam Aadmi Party gave a beautiful communicated message that people of Delhi invested in. A message of simplicity, of honesty, of simple living, high thinking, of time spent only in people's service, minus the perks and minus the frills. During the Anna agitation and later as Chief Minister, remember how Arvind Kejriwal was in public with a muffler even when it wasn't that cold. No wonder he was subsequently branded the Muffler Man. His mode of transport was a beat-up Wagoner, which eventually was stolen. His shirt of choice was a nondescript, run-down, presumably unbranded bush shirt. And even his footwear was a pair of Aam Aadmi sandals with or without socks, depending on the weather. So much so that in 2016, a businessman from Visakhapatnam sent 364 rupees to Mr. Kejriwal because he was embarrassed of the sandals the Delhi Chief Minister wore to an official banquet held for the visiting French President, François Hollande. Arvind Kejriwal rose to prominence with the Anna agitation. But today there couldn't be a more marked difference between the trajectory taken by these men. Anna Hazare continues to be in his regular house at Jaliganj City, and Arvind Kejriwal doesn't bat an eyelid before spending almost 45 crore rupees on renovating his house in Delhi. I want to re-emphasize that this is not a construction of a house. This is a renovation of an already existing Chief Minister's residence. An amount of 44 crores 78 lakhs to be precise. A 9-digit figure spent on sprucing up a house where the CM was already staying. What's more significant is that this entire operation took place at a time when the country was in the throes of a pandemic. Could this money have been better utilized? Could there be other priorities? Let's see. Drawing an indicative price of purchase of construction, this same amount, 45 crores, could have got 180 classrooms built in Delhi. 224 Mohalla clinics would have been made in the same amount. Considering how badly Delhi struggled for the basics during the COVID pandemic, this amount surely could have been used to buy 12,459 oxygen concentrators. As many as 2,25,000 PPE kits and 2,710 ventilators could have been bought in this amount. By the way, in 2014, Mr. Kejriwal said something very interesting. It's almost like a message to self. Something about people calling him up and telling him that big houses are not his style. So what did he do? Listen.
कई चाहने वाले मेरे दोस्त और मेरे हमारे जो पार्टी के सपोर्टर्स हैं उन लोगों के मेरे पास फ़ोन आए, उन लोगों के और जो जनता के भी फ़ोन आए, उनके मैसेजेस आए और उन्हें लगा कि मुझे ऐसे घर में नहीं जाना चाहिए। सो मैं ये दोनों घर छोड़ रहा हूँ और मैं सरकार को बोलूँगा कि वो मेरे लिए कोई और इससे भी छोटे घर ढूंढने की कोशिश करे। तो वो कहते हैं ना सीजर्स वाइज, तो वही वाली बात है, हमें तो उसके लिए तैयार रहना पड़ेगा। वी हैव टू बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर दैट स्क्रूटिनी।
Yes, Caesar's wife must indeed be above suspicion. And that's the reason why today the people of Delhi are asking the Chief Minister some pertinent questions. Starting with, what kind of curtains do you get for 7,94,000 rupees each? Not for entire curtains in the whole house. One curtain for 7,94,000. For 23 curtains, Mr. Kejriwal had close to 1 crore rupees sanctioned. For Dior pearl marble floors, 3 crores 33 lakhs was spent to buy the marble and then to polish the marble. 6 hand-tufted carpets were also bought for 20 lakh rupees. 6 carpets for 20 lakhs, more than 3 lakh rupees per carpet. 63 lakh rupees was spent in doing up 2 kitchens. And 4 crores was spent on wall paneling alone. Panels in wood and stone were used to make the walls pretty. And finally, another 40 lakh rupees was spent on redoing the wardrobes and dressers in the rooms of the Chief Minister, in the rooms of his parents, the room of his daughter, and of his son. Now let's listen to what Mr. Kejriwal at one point said about his needs. He said, I'm a man of limited needs. I just want to serve the people. So just a roof above my head and things to go about my job, that's it. Then we wonder, what changed? What changed between then and now? From little means to 45 crores.
अब देखना 3 दिन के बाद शुरू होगा, केजरीवाल बड़े बंगले में चला गया, केजरीवाल बड़े बंगले में चला गया। मुझे पूरा एक महापुरुष ने कहा था कि इंसान कहीं भी पहुंच जाए उसको अपनी औकात नहीं भूलनी चाहिए। मुझे अपनी औकात पता है, मैं बहुत छोटा सा आदमी हूं, मेरी बहुत छोटी सी औकात है। आज मेरे घर में 4 या 5 कमरे हैं, मैं जहां भी जाऊंगा 4-5 कमरों से ज्यादा की मेरे को क्या जरूरत है भाई साहब? 4-5 कमरे ही चाहिए, हाथ पैर पसारने के लिए उतनी जगह चाहिए, और जगह की क्या जरूरत है? लेकिन एक दफ्तर की तो जरूरत पड़ेगी, नहीं तो मुख्यमंत्री काम कैसे करेगा? आप सब लोग रोज मेरे से सवेरे मिलने आया करोगे तो 400-500 लोगों के बैठने की तो जगह जरूरत पड़ेगी, कुर्सियां तो बिछाऊंगा वहां पे, नहीं तो काम कैसे करूंगा? तो बस इतनी जगह लूंगा मैं, इतना ही बड़ा मकान लूंगा, और बड़ा मकान नहीं लूंगा, चिंता मत करो।
You're watching the News Hour at 10, debate number 1 on Times Now, Super Prime Time.
All right, joining us on the debate, Shahzad Poonawala, national spokesperson of the BJP, senior editor at Swaraj, Tushar Gupta, political analyst, Ravi Srivastava, Dr. Kashdeep Muni. And let me ask the first question to you, Sanjeev Kaushik. संजीव कौशिक जी, खुद केजरीवाल जी ने बोला था कि मेरे को छोटी सी मेरी जरूरत है, छोटी छोटी जरूरत। तो ये छोटी जरूरत 45 करोड़ में कैसे बदल गई?
देखिए पंजा जो खबर आ रही है और जो आप बता रही है, निश्चित तौर पे उन लोगों के लिए ये असहज स्थिति, जिन लोगों ने सोचा ये था कि आम आदमी पार्टी निश्चित तौर पे आम लोगों के लिए बात करती है और आम आदमी के जैसे ही अपना जीवन चलाने का काम करती है और वैसे ही वो नई राजनीति करेगी और राजनीति बदलने आएगी। लेकिन सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि जिस परिप्रेक्ष्य की हम बात कर रहे हैं उसके बारे में भी कुछ चर्चा करें। आम आदमी पार्टी के बारे में हमने देखा है कि पिछले 3 महीने पहले जब इलेक्शन थे तो तमाम हर रोज इस तरह के स्टिंग ऑपरेशन और इस तरह की खबरें आती थी और उसके ऊपर चर्चा होता है। क्यों इस वक्त को चुना जाता है, इसमें भी ध्यान देने की जरूरत है। आम आदमी पार्टी ने
होल्ड ऑन अ सेकंड, आप कह रहे हैं कि खर्चा हुआ है, बट खर्चे का अभी क्यों बात हो रही है, इससे आपको प्रॉब्लम?
नहीं, मैंने कहा कि निश्चित तौर पे ये उन सारे लोगों के लिए असहज स्थिति है जो लोग ये समझते थे कि आम आदमी पार्टी के लोग भी आम आदमी के जैसे ही रह करके नई राजनीति करते हैं। उन लोगों के लिए
सर ये आम आदमी छोड़िए, ये तो खास आदमी भी नहीं है। People who are not even upper middle class. Let me again to your benefit and for the benefit of our viewers, quote a few figures. What kind of carpet do you get for 3 lakhs? 3 lakhs. We should perhaps like open up our phone lines to ask our viewers, because there may be many of them who work in the luxury sector. I, for one, when I shop online and when I really want to splurge, you get a carpet for 10,000. When you get like really nice Kashmiri carpets, they are up to 50,000, handmade. Ravi Srivastava. What kind of carpet? And I again keep coming back to that. What kind of carpet do you get for 3 lakh? One carpet. Ravi Srivastava?
If your question is to me, I'll answer it.
Go on, sir. It is to you.
Yeah. First of all, I don't find anything unusual in it. And it's a narrative being created that what Arvind Kejriwal said and what Arvind Kejriwal did. I am asking a question here. Did Arvind Kejriwal ask for it? Can you show a piece of paper where he said that you bring all these things for me? This is all the department did it, the PWD did it. The PWD signed on the documents which you are showing on the channel. I don't know how Arvind Kejriwal is responsible for this.
Who does the PWD report to, sir?
The house is not...
Who does the PWD report to?
They are reporting, you would please... No. If the reporting is the issue, then I'll ask about the Prime Minister's house also.
No, hold on a second. Let's take it one by one. Let's not get into what about it. तो आप कह रहे हैं कि PWD में एक चेयरमैन बैठे हैं, उन्होंने कहा अरविंद केजरीवाल जी आप चाहे ना चाहे 3 लाख का कारपेट तो आपके घर में आज मैं बिछा कर ही रहूंगा। एंड केजरीवाल जी said नहीं है मत करो, बट he said नहीं, 3 लाख का कारपेट आज तो इस घर में बिछेगा।
I don't know. You must have been sitting over there and...
Who must have been sitting there? You are saying he did. How do you know he didn't ask for it? How do you know he didn't ask for it? Since you said
I have not seen any evidence of... No, because he's a simple man.
He's a simple man.
He still carries the 2 rupee Renault pen.
Right.
He still carries the half-sleeve shirt.
Right.
He's the same man who he was.
Okay.
If somebody is providing it, I mean, this is a department. Who I don't find over there?
Okay, so just let's paint a visual picture. Mind you, this is not a house.
These people did it.
Ravi ji, mind you, here is a house. Here is a house that he was living in, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. He was living in that house. So when you're living in a house, आपके घर में मार्बल की फ्लोरिंग लग रही है, वियतनाम से मार्बल आ रहा है, Dior Pearl. I don't even frankly know what this marble is because I've never seen it. Never had the opportunity, I think, of seeing something like this. So somebody gets in this marble, you never ask कि भाई ये मार्बल कितने का आ रहा है, आपको पता है? लोग आ रहे हैं, मार्बल लगा रहे हैं, कोई आपका किचन बना रहा है, कोई आपका, wood paneling लगा रहा है, and you're like, ठीक है, I have my 2 rupee Renault pen, I'm happy with this. Shahzad Poonawala, do you have any proof that the CM actually asked for it?
देखिए ऐसा है, राजनीति बदलने आए थे, राजनीति में इतना बदल गए, दिस इज द बिगेस्ट केस ऑफ पॉलिटिकल कन्वर्जन दैट वी आर सीइंग अनफोल्ड बिफोर अस एंड यूटर्न की तो कोई सीमा ही नहीं है। दे फर्स्ट सेड आई स्वेयर आई विल नॉट डू अलायंस विद कांग्रेस, दे डिड अलायंस विद कांग्रेस, इट वाज आइडियोलॉजिकल करप्शन। देन दे सेड दैट आई विल नेवर डू करप्शन एंड इफ देयर इज करप्शन आई विल रिमूव द करप्ट पीपल, बट दे allowed and kept the corrupt people with them, that was fiscal corruption. Now third, today we are seeing moral corruption. So Padmaja, there are three wickets of corruption. There are 3 wickets of Padmaja, I don't want to have this debate.
Ravi ji, there is a lot more left. We will show you some more because some things are totally eye-opening. So I want to show you some more things which we'll perhaps see only in these documents. One at a time, please. Finish your point. Yes.
Padmaja, first ideological corruption, then fiscal corruption, and today moral corruption. And look at the moral corruption. Today this 45 crore rupees renovation. Now one person says कि ये renovation करवा दिया गया, मुख्यमंत्री को पता ही नहीं चला। ये corruption हो जाता है उनके नाक के नीचे, उनको पता नहीं चलता है। ये renovation हो जाता है नाक के नीचे, पता नहीं चलता है। In this there is 11 crore rupees worth interior work being done. In this there is 6 crore rupees marbling being done. In this there is 2.5 crore rupees being spent on light and fire. वो बेचारे जो प्रवक्ता बन के आए संजीव कौशिक के घर में लाइट नहीं दिख रही है, और मैं सीरियसली बोल रहा हूँ, क्या जीरो बल्ब जल रहा है? यहाँ पर 1.5 करोड़ का लाइट एंड फैन लगा है, बताइए। देयर इज 63 लाख रुपीस ऑफ किचन, 2 किचन, 63 लाख रुपीस। सी देयर इज जीरो बल्ब इन संजीव कौशिक हाउस, बट देयर इज 1.5 crore rupees लाइट एंड फैन इन मिस्टर केजरीवाल हाउस। नाउ व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से इज पद्मजा, हियर इज एन प्लीज रवि जी,
Okay, it really won't help anyone if we keep yelling. Ravi
There is only
Srivastava
one
will
person
come back
yelling,
to
we
you.
can silence also.
Mr. Srivastava, I'll come back to you, I promise.
Now let me demolish the claims of Mr. Ravi Srivastava in a very scientific and logical manner, and I request time. I don't want to shout at 10 o'clock. Nobody wants to watch that. Thank you. Here is an affidavit signed by Mr. Kejriwal. Point number 3. मैं बड़ा बंगला नहीं लूंगी, and पता नहीं लूंगी क्यों साइन किया, पर एनीवेज नहीं लूंगी, और आम आदमी पार्टी की तरह सामान्य घर में रहूंगी। अब मुझे तो पता लगता है कि आज सीजर की वाइफ को बख्श दे, ये सीजर की वाइफ का टेस्ट बहुत हो चुका है, आज टेस्ट होना चाहिए केजरीवाल के पॉलिटिकल लाइफ का। सीजर्स वाइफ शुड बी अब्सॉर्ब्ड एंड केजरीवाल पॉलिटिकल लाइफ मस्ट बी क्वेश्चन। आई वांट टू आस्क 1 or 2 questions, you know.
Okay, hold on a second, one minute. You spoke. Now Ravi Srivastava should have the right to.
पॉलिटिकल लाइफ का टेस्ट नहीं लेना केजरीवाल।
Okay, hold on a second. If you think, hold on a second. You think that Mr. Kejriwal was given all of this without him being asked. Let me actually make you hear what he said about Sheila Ji when she was chief minister. Sheila Ji was given no benefit of doubt by the same Mr. Kejriwal, Mr. Srivastava, who said, अरे शीला जी के घर में इतने बड़े-बड़े एसी चलते हैं, क्यों चलाती हैं? उनके टॉयलेट में एसी है, क्यों चलता है? जनता को लूट रहे हैं। Listen in to what Mr. Kejriwal himself said.
शीला दीक्षित के घर की बिजली 10 एसी लगे हुए शीला दीक्षित के घर पे, उसकी बिजली का बिल कौन देता है? हम देते हैं उसकी बिजली का बिल, हम देते हैं शीला दीक्षित के घर की बिजली का बिल। दिल्ली सचिवालय देखा है, दिल्ली सचिवालय पूरा का पूरा एयर कंडीशन है ऊपर से नीचे तक, उनका टॉयलेट भी पखाना भी उनका एयर कंडीशनर में चलता है, एयर कंडीशन चलता है उनका पखाना भी, उनका पूरा का पूरा टॉयलेट भी एयर कंडीशनर है। उस पूरे के पूरे दिल्ली सचिवालय का बिजली का बिल कौन देता है? हम देते हैं।
45 करोड़ कौन देता है रवि जी?
देखिए, मैं आपको पहले भी कह चुका हूँ, दिस इज ऑल यू हैव टू सी इन दी पर्सपेक्टिव, यू हैव टू सी व्हाट अदर्स आर डूइंग। देयर इज वन चीफ मिनिस्टर हु बॉट अ प्लेन वर्थ 191 crores. शिवराज चौहान renovated his house for some 50-45 crores. The prime minister has got an aeroplane on taxpayers' money 8,400 crores. So what is the big deal about it?
I will tell you, sir, what is the big deal? Because as far as the 191 crore Gujarat chief minister has bought, there was actually a study done on how much money was being used to rent a plane for the Gujarat chief minister, and it turned out that the expenses on rental were far exceeding what it would cost to buy. Here is what. The Beechcraft is the only aircraft currently available to ferry the CM and other dignitaries. It is in service for 20 years. We succeeded in acquiring an aircraft in the 3rd bid. So a bidding process was done. Then after a 20-year-old aircraft had to be replaced, this aircraft was bought. Now I want to come back, and this is frankly, sir, and apples to apples. You need an aircraft. Nobody is asking कि केजरीवाल जी ने गाड़ी क्यों खरीदी, उनको गाड़ी होनी चाहिए, उनकी सिक्योर गाड़ी होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि वो हमारे मुख्यमंत्री। बट घर में मार्बल लगवाना है सर, तो मकराना का भी मार्बल मिलता है, हम भी जाके देखते हैं, यहाँ पर आपके गुड़गांव के पास मिलता है मार्बल।
नहीं लगवाया,
3 करोड़ का मार्बल नहीं होता है, सर 3 करोड़ का पूरा घर आता है।
Just one elementary question which is not even able to come out because Ravi ji is constantly interrupting. देखिए रवि जी, आपको ऐसे बोल रहे जैसे गेस्ट रूम में आप ही रहते हैं, आप तो गेस्ट रूम में रहते हैं, आप तो मुंबई के, आप तो 10 सेकंड सुन लीजिए, मेरे टैक्स पेयर का पैसा है। तो रवि जी, I request you now, please, now you have to give me 10 seconds to make some value points. See, please, Mr. Ravi, I request you. Mr. Ravi, I request you. Kindly don't spoil the debate for everybody. I request you.
Yes, go on.
Look, the fundamental question tonight, Padmaja, there has to be some kind of resolution of. Look, the point is that if a project of national importance cleared as such by the courts, namely the Parliament of India being illegal to us vanity, how is what Kejriwal doing in his kitchen and marble flooring is sanity? Point 1. Point 2, it was red flagged by DUAC. He said ना केजरीवाल जी को तो गला पकड़ के मार्बल लगा दिया, गला पकड़ के उनकी बॉल पेन पकड़ के उनको बोला कि नहीं तुझे तो इस किचन में रहना ही पड़ेगा, ये वार्डरोब आलिशान में रहना ही पड़ेगा। भाई DUAC had red flagged it. Why did the chief minister go ahead with it? Thirdly, did PWD seek the appropriate permissions and sanctions? And how did this material, this pure marble, when it was sourced, did they take 5 marble people's, Makarana ka bhi marble kitne ka hai, Paris ka kitne ka hai, did they do that process? Let Mr. Ravi Srivastava is defending it. So now you tell us, Ravi ji, was the process?
So here's the thing, you know, to say कि आपने मार्बल क्यों लगवाया का कंपैरिजन आप कर रहे हैं कि आपने ऑफिशियल गाड़ी क्यों खरीदी या आपने एयरक्राफ्ट क्यों खरीदा। एज अ चीफ मिनिस्टर, एज अ प्राइम मिनिस्टर, आप गाड़ी प्लीज खरीदिए, आपको सिक्योर रहने का हक है। अगर आप एयरप्लेन ले रहे हैं, अगर आपके बजट में है, आप प्लीज खरीदिए, पर मार्बल ही लगाना है तो ये मार्बल क्यों लगाया? 3 लाख का कारपेट क्यों खरीदा? भैया 30,000 का ले लीजिए, बाय 30,000 कारपेट, 3 लाख कारपेट, a curtain worth 7 lakhs rupees. Who is going to rationalize it? Now, and this is the big thing that we are breaking right now, let's run apples to apples. You just heard the Delhi Chief Minister 11 years ago saying Sheila Dikshit ka bathroom to air conditioned hai. Matlab, this is the biggest scandal on taxpayers. Now let us tell you how much is being spent on Mr. Kejriwal's bathrooms. Here is what it says. 15 toilets were made, providing and fixing vanity in toilets. This is the big breaking that we are getting to you right now. Each toilet, the vanity was fixed at 1 lakh rupees A total of 15 toilet vanities were fixed, which means that 15 lakhs, Dr. Akashdeep Muni, was spent on putting vanities in Mr. Kejriwal's toilets. He was angry that why does Sheila Dikshit have an AC in her toilet? He is spending 1 lakh on her toilet, Akashdeep Muni. And there are a total of 15 toilets. I would like to underline. He said earlier, मुझे 3 कमरे का मकान चाहिए. आपके घर में तो टॉयलेट ही 15 है. आपको 3 कमरे चाहिए थे, यहाँ 15 टॉयलेट्स हैं. आकाशदीप
मैं तो बड़ा खुश हूँ कि मुझे बोलने का मौका दिया और मुझे लगता है कि पद्मजा जी फेयर चांस देगी जैसे शहजाद पुनावाला को वो रोज रोकती नहीं.
अनइंटरप्टेड सर 2 मिनट.
मुझे देखते हैं
टॉयलेट वाला एसी वाला टॉयलेट वर्सेस 1 लाख वाला टॉयलेट. गो
नो नो पीपल का वॉच
गो.
हर चीज को ना एक हम हर समय ना एक पर्सपेक्टिव में लेके देखते हैं. ये पर्टिकुलर जो रेजिडेंस है वो रेजिडेंस 1942 का बना है. वो 4 बार उसकी रूफ गिर चुकी. पीडब्ल्यूडी ने उसको बोला था रिनोवेशन करने. और इस पर्टिकुलर कंस्ट्रक्शन में एनसीडी का अप्रूवल थे. अप्रूवल हु रिपोर्ट्स टू द लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर. नो वेट a minute.
एनसीडी उस एरिया में
let's give the time to finish it. Yes.
ये पर्टिकुलर केस में आप बोलेंगे कि चलो क्यों रेनोवेशन करवाएं. Augmentation and renovation of 7 racecourse road, which is the Prime Minister residence, happened recently with 90 crore rupees. And also, the MPCM did the same thing for his house for 50 crore. The PM new residence has been built with the estimation of 500 crores, which goes 3 times after making officially people to 1200 and 300 crores. The interesting is this that आपको पता नहीं होगा.
नहीं आपसे एनसीडी का अप्रूवल मिलता है वहाँ पे मुझे नहीं पता.
Prime Minister IIT Trip went into 10 crore spent, and not only this. There was in 2019 on the floor of the Parliament, the Parliamentary Affairs Minister revealed that 193 to be precise, Hardeep Singh Puri revealed that 193 crores have been spent on ministers' housing residence renovation. Then opposition asked why we spent so much. He didn't reply. He said that there is no expenditure limit prescribed for such renovation and repair. So he justified it. So Shahzad ji, if you agree with Hardeep Puri, yes.
Now may I answer?
No, wait a second. Let's bring in Tushar Gupta on this because he's waiting very patiently. But I want to make one thing very clear, sir. Here are the documents where the sanction has been done. For the benefit of our viewers, here it is where each of these expenses has been sanctioned, and it says Government of National Capital Territory of Delhi, Public Works Department, Office of Chief Engineer, Public Works Department. Who was the PWD minister at that time? Satyendra Jain was the PWD minister. This amount has been sanctioned by the Public Works Department of the Government of National Capital Territory of Delhi, Dr. Akashdeep Muni. But let yeah, so it's been done by the PWD.
कोई उस एरिया में लेना देना नहीं है और 1942 का स्ट्रक्चर है ना. पार्लियामेंट तो 1927 में बना है. करंट पार्लियामेंट वाज मेड इन 1927.
All of these gentlemen, by the way, very clearly it is by the PWD of the Delhi government. There is nothing that has been sanctioned here by the NCD. Tushar Gupta respond to the specific point that Hardeep Puri has also said. There is no limit on the expenses. There's no limit.
No, there is no limit on the expenses, Padmaja, but there is a common sense factor as well. I mean, listening to Ravi Srivastava defending Arvind Kejriwal is honestly an assault on my common sense. There is this one panelist, there is Arvind Kejriwal who himself said कि शीला दीक्षित के तो बाथरूम में भी एसी लगा है. यहाँ आकाशदीप मुनि जी कह रहे हैं 1942 का स्ट्रक्चर है. अरे एसी लगे हैं पूरे घर में, ये रिपेयर और रेनोवेशन के बिना कैसे लगे हुए थे? पहला तो आपका यही कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन है. पॉइंट नंबर 2, Padmaja, I have a hunch. You know, one needs to scrutinize the bills, one needs to scrutinize the documents further and check if the actual things have actually landed up in that place or not. Remember, there was a scam in 2010 during the CWG where the government of the day procured toilet paper rolls for ₹4,000. Is that something similar going on here? We don't know. But to me, buying a 3 lakh carpet sounds outlandish. Having 6 crore on just the, you know, the bulbs and lights, and 11 crore on the interior. I mean, we all live in the same city. We all live in NCR. We know what the prices are. All of this sounds very absurd. It doesn't make any sense. Of course, Arvind Kejriwal has shaken off that Aam Aadmi identity long ago. Anyone who still believes Arvind Kejriwal is an Aam Aadmi is only fooling themselves.
Dr. Akashdeep Muni, so the rot may run deeper. Maybe we are being told कि 7 लाख का पर्दा है, हो सकता है वो 700 का पर्दा हो.
मैं तो ये बोलता हूँ कि rot may run deeper in HE's house, which is 6 crore acre, and whose decoration recently spent with crore. उसका भी बिल ले आई.
बताइए शहजाद पूनावाला 15 करोड़ स्पेंट ऑन रेनोवेटिंग एलजी हाउस.
एक काम करते हैं मुनि जी आपने बहुत अच्छा सवाल पूछा. मुनि जी अच्छा सवाल पूछा. नाउ कैन यू प्लीज लेट मी आंसर. थैंक यू. कल के कल केजरीवाल जी को बोलो आइए मेरे घर को वीडियो टेप कीजिए, कैमरा लाइए, यूट्यूब पे उसका वीडियो डाल दो, सब लोग तय करो कि कितना मैंने खर्च किया. और जो तुषार गुप्ता का जो एप्रीहेंशन है उसको आप झूठा साबित कर दो. तुषार गुप्ता का वैलिड एप्रीहेंशन कि ये लाखों का माल गया है तो इस्तेमाल हुआ है या नहीं हुआ है, इसको आप तुषार गुप्ता को कल चांद करा दो. कल के कल आप आकाशदीप मुनि आप और ये हमारे रवि जी दोनों कैमरा लेकर जाओ आईफोन वाला और वहां पे रिकॉर्डिंग करके यूट्यूब पे डाल दो कि केजरीवाल टॉयलेट, केजरीवाल बेडरूम, केजरीवाल पैंट्री, केजरीवाल वार्डरोब, ये करके ऐसे एक सीरीज में डाल दो. करते हैं क्या कल? करेंगे आप कल?
वैलिड एंड मे बी दैट वे द आम आदमी कैन आल्सो सी कि 3 लाख का कारपेट दिखता कैसे है, 7 लाख का कर्टन दिखता कैसे है. जिंदगी में हम भी एक बार देख ले कि 7 लाख का पर्दा दिखता कैसे है. 7 लाख का, जस्ट टू पुट इट इन पर्सपेक्टिव, 7 लाख का शायद 1 BHK छोटे शहर में आपको पूरा घर मिल जाएगा 7 लाख का। पर एक 7 लाख का अगर पर्दा कहीं आ रहा है तो हम भी खुश हो जाएंगे कभी जिंदगी में एक बार वो पर्दा देख लें। हो जाए सबकी वीडियोग्राफी। संजीव कौशिक।
पद्मजा वीडियोग्राफी के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा उतावले हैं शहजाद भाई मुख्यमंत्री के घर में जाने के लिए, तो देश के प्रधानमंत्री की भी आवाज़ पे एक बार जाने के लिए बोली उनसे। हम ये तो कह रहे हैं कि यदि ये गलत है तो फिर 90 करोड़ रुपये रिनोवेशन में खर्च होता है वो भी गलत है। 9,500 8,000 रुपये करोड़ का यदि क्लियर कर दिया जाता है तो वो भी गलत है। मोदी जी 10 लाख का सूट पहनते हैं तो उसके बारे में चर्चा क्यों नहीं होती? 2 लाख का घड़ी पहनते हैं उसके बारे में चर्चा क्यों नहीं होती? 2 लाख का चश्मा पहनते हैं उसके बारे में चर्चा क्यों नहीं होती? जब तो वो हो जाते हैं कि चाय वाला है, गरीब का बेटा इस्तेमाल नहीं कर सकता, पढ़ नहीं सकता, और एक लिखा ऑफिसर ग्रेड का आदमी जिसकी एक जीवन शैली होती है, जिसका एक रहने का तरीका है, काम करने का तरीका है, और वो भी क्या दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री केजरीवाल घर को लेकर चले जाएंगे? उनके नाम पर वो घर है, अपने पैसे से वो उन्होंने यदि बनाया है।
ना अपने पैसे से नहीं बनाया है संजीव जी, दैट इज द मेन थिंग। सी हियर इज वेयर वी मस्ट ड्रॉ द लाइन। ये सरकारी पैसा है सर, ये हमारा पैसा है, हमारा पैसा। आप 6,000 रुपए खर्च नहीं कर पाएंगे पर्दा खरीदने में, अगर कोई 6 लाख खर्च कर रहा है देन पीपल विल आस्क अ क्वेश्चन। इफ समबडी बाइज इट फ्रॉम देयर ओन पॉकेट, बाय ऑल मींस वेल्थ क्रिएशन इज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम। इफ यू आर क्रिएटिंग वेल्थ, आप 6 लाख क्या, यू बाय 6 करोड़ कर्टन, nobody has the right to stop you. The interesting thing though is, and I will just leave it to the wisdom of the viewers, the same people who say ये सूट बूट की सरकार, the same people who say ये लोग चोरी करके अपनी जेबें कर रहे हैं, are the same people who will spend taxpayers' money in buying themselves carpet, curtains, wall paneling and marble. Is that okay? But respond to that. If the Prime Minister is wearing self-embroidered suit, if the Prime Minister has an expensive pen, then will you also audit that, Shahzad Poonawalla?
As far as that suit is concerned, it was in public domain that it was gifted to him and he put it on auction. So now I ask them, put your money where your mouth is, and all these items, are they first of all from the money that Kejriwal has earned, or is it public money? And if it is public money, then what right do you have to use it in this way in the time when you were supposed to provide? And if that money would have been used properly, 12,500 oxygen concentrators, 2,700 ventilators, 4,500 bed hospitals could be created, 22 lakh doses could have been given. So संजीव कौशिक जी, मैं आपसे पूछता हूँ कि पहले तो वो बता दीजिए कि प्रक्रिया क्या थी जो आपने अपनाई इसको लाने के लिए। दूसरी बात बता दीजिए कि ये चीजें जो है वो इस्तेमाल हुई है या नहीं हुई है। तीसरी बात बता दीजिए कि आपने तो एफिडेविट में लिख के दिया था ना कि हम आलिशान बंगला नहीं लेंगे, हम ये नहीं लेंगे, वो नहीं लेंगे। यूटर्न कर दिया ना, आप मान रहे हैं, आप यूटर्न कर रहे हैं, आप मान रहे हैं ना।
भ्रष्टाचार से जोड़ना चाहते हैं, कल भेज दीजिए, कल सीबीआई भेज दीजिए कि भ्रष्टाचार का मामला है।
सीबीआई भेज दें। सीबीआई ने वैसे एक बात सुन लीजिए,
के लिए आप तैयार नहीं थे, आप भेजिए ना, आप भेजिए। आपको इतराज
संजीव जी,
इतराज है
संजीव जी,
मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल है कि कितना इतराज
Okay,
है?
that's a good point. That's a good point. Though that instead of having these allegations flying in the air, that everyone should be in unanimity, Ravi Srivastava, that इसकी जांच हो जानी चाहिए, दूध का दूध पानी का पानी हो जाएगा, एक ऑडिट हो जाए, an independent evaluator should be there, the bills should be furnished, and then people will see that there is no wrongdoing, there's maybe just good taste.
Absolutely, Padmaja, not
एक
about
फिर
this.
मत कहिएगा कि
All
अगर
the
इन्वेस्टिगेशन
chief
ऑर्डर हो गया कि
has
मोदी
been
मेरे पीछे
audited.
पड़े। Problem
All the
is that whether it be liquor gate, whether it be
all the-
जैसे सत्येंद्र
all
जैन
the
केस,
chief-
पहले केजरीवाल जी बोलते हैं इन्वेस्टिगेट करो, फिर कहते हैं कि हमारे पीछे पड़े हैं, फिर वो कहते हैं कि सिसोदिया को गिरफ्तार कर लो, फिर कहते हैं कि सिसोदिया के खिलाफ रिश्वत हो रहा है। तो बी वेरी क्लियर।
आपने स्टोरी ब्रेक करी है, बिल्कुल, बट नॉट वन, ऑल द chief should be investigated, not alone one, all the leaders, all the home minister, all the central minister, their houses should also be investigated. How much money they have spent? That will be a fair investigation. Do it. और CBI तो इनके घंटी है।
Okay, Tushar Gupta, the other big breaking. Okay, so you've just seen the toilets. We did the toilet to toilet comparison. Now I want to show you how good laundry rooms can be. There is one laundry room. Now, for people who are unfamiliar with laundry room, usually what happens is that in some houses, some big houses where you have a large number of people staying, you have a separate room for doing laundry. There is one such room in the Chief Minister's residence, and that laundry room where presumably you would be having a washing machine and a dryer, a washer dryer. That room has also cost 3 lakh rupees. So one laundry room is 3 lakh rupees. One toilet, vanity, is 1 lakh rupees. Carpet is 3 lakh rupees. Parda is 7 lakh rupees. Kitchen is 30 lakh rupees. This is just a laundry list of everything. Tushar Gupta.
Well, either Arvind Kejriwal has a very fine taste, or these, the economy is so prosperous these days that he can afford all this on taxpayers' money. I mean, there is no other way to explain that. There is absolutely no other way to explain that. Padmaja, to reiterate the point, who can now say or claim that Aam Aadmi Party is the party for the common citizen? You say 3 lakh for a laundry room. A washing machine, the best washing machines, even the big washing machines do not cost more than 1 lakh. Where is the money going? Again, I'm asking the same question. 3 lakh worth of woolen carpets, even the Persian carpets, the best of the best carpets, do not cost this much. The wall panels you spoke about in the beginning of the show, they do not cost this much. The marble, you've imported marble from abroad. Why does the Chief Minister residence need marble of such expensive, such cost-intensive marble? These are the questions. The problem here is not the expenditure. Please understand. People are saying खर्चे से प्रॉब्लम है, भाजपा खर्चे पर अटैक करिए, इसका खर्चा, उसका खर्चा। खर्चे का तरीका गलत है। खर्चे का तरीका गलत है। आप 3 लाख रुपए का कारपेट खरीद के ये नहीं कह सकते, अरे हम तो आम आदमी, हम तो जनता के सेवक हैं। आप 1 लाख रुपए की वैनिटी 15 बाथरूम में लगाकर 15 लाख का खर्चा ये नहीं कह सकते, अरे हम तो जनता के सेवक हैं, हम तो एकदम दो रोटी पे जीते हैं, वैगन आर में घूमते हैं। अरविंद केजरीवाल created a security fiasco back in 2013-14 when he took the metro for work. So you would remember, and look where he is today. And
simple question if anyone can answer. आप मार्बल लगाइए, आप मार्बल क्या, आप सोना लगाइए. बट आप ये बताइए कि इसको वियतनाम से ही पर्ल डियोर मंगाने की क्या जरूरत थी आकाशदीप? When you could easily have other alternatives, what was the need to get this pearl dior? First of all, somebody please, can our viewers call in and tell me what is a pearl dior marble? I have never heard of it. I've never seen it, unfortunately, in my life. Maybe one day I will, if Mr. Kejriwal so wills. What was the need to get this pearl dior marble?
I wait one day you'll be also questioning the Prime Minister Narendra Modi on a 1,500 crore house which is building. And the marble he is using for 1,500 crore, not for 45 crore is very small.
No, okay, one second, we must talk on facts.
नहीं, ये तो आएंगे बीच में.
House coming up. Why? No, one second. Is it under construction? No, 1,500 crore house. Where is it? Where is it being constructed? Please tell me, Akash. You made this allegation. First you started with
No, I'm not
now you sent it to 1,500 crore. No, Mr. Muni, let's talk on facts. Where is the 1,500 crore mansion? There is a new parliament which is being built. If you feel that is a mansion and that is 850 crore. And there is a central avenue vista that has been created. The total cost of these two is not more than 1,200 crore as has been placed before the High Court and the Supreme Court. So please tell me where is the 1,500 crore Prime Minister's mansion coming? I am intrigued to know. I stay in Delhi. I want to know where is the 1,500 crore mansion. You don't need to shout, Mr. Muni. We can have a civil conversation. Mr. Muni, you are not Ravi Srivastava. I choose to refuse to believe that you are Ravi Srivastava. Therefore, I am trying to actively...
Mr. Muni, hold on a
Can I ask you a
second.
question?
No, okay, just you already asked the question. Just answer the simple question. Where did you get this figure? Is there a document that you have where you found that 14 crore का या 40,000 crore का marble लगा Prime Minister's residence?
I'll just clarify. I'll just clearly speak. 500 crore is the specific CPWD has been given that amount of 500 crore rupees to build the Prime Minister house, which goes on to 3 times. It is the estimate. It goes on to 3 times. You know, Shahzad ji might not know about it, but it happens many times.
No.
Beseech you to allow me.
Okay. So here, before you think, just to clarify, Dr. Akashdeep Muni, the amount you are quoting was the estimate for the Central Vista, a part of which is the new residence. Can you give us a breakup? And why is this 500 crore given for Prime Minister's residence? We actually have a breakup of that entire amount as well. Yes, go on.
90 crore has been spent on the augmentation of 7 race course roads.
Dr. Muni, you asked a very good question. How is 500 crore spent on the Prime Minister's residence as a part of new Central Vista? Explain, Shehzad Poonawala, one at a time. Yes.
He won't interrupt me. Now, can I please speak? Mr. Muni, I did not interrupt you. Please speak. Allow me 30 seconds.
Interrupt me, but you speak.
One at a time, please. Shehzad Poonawala, explain.
First of all, I don't know of any place where if certain tenders for 500 crores, the cost can go to 1,500 crores. This may be the Aam Aadmi Party Sarkar way of doing things. It's not the way it is done normally. But I am saying this. Today, as on record, case before the Supreme Court, the amount of money spent on the new Parliament building in the Central Avenue Vista is 1,200 odd crores. There is nowhere a new mansion worth 500 crores which will become 1,500 crores. I am saying this based on what has been kept before the Supreme Court. There is an affidavit of Government of India. Now you tell me what is your source. What is your source of this information of 500 crores being sanctioned by the CPWD for a Prime Ministerial mansion? Please show the document. I am giving you my 30 seconds. Show me the document. Show me the CPWD document. Show me the CPWD document. Shut my mouth. Show me the document. Show me the document. Show me the document.
I just want to ask this.
Don't ask me. Here is the document of your household pension. Now you show me the document of the 500 crore rupee house of the Prime Minister.
Do you agree with Hardeep Puri or not?
अरे हरदीप पुरी का बयान ही कोट कर रहा हूं मैं, which has been given an affidavit to Supreme Court. Now you tell me where is the CPWD saying 500 crores is being spent on Prime Minister's mansion? Show me the document.
नहीं agree करते हो Hardeep Puri से.
Show me the Hardeep Puri statement. चलो, show me the Hardeep Puri statement. I know what Hardeep Puri said. He's the Minister of Urban Development of my government. I know what his statement is, one word. By heart. Now you please show me the statement of Hardeep Puri. Show me.
I'm reading out.
हाँ, read नहीं, दिखा दो, सुना दो. हरदीप पुरी को दिखा दो ना, statement दिखा दो उनका.
कैसे दिखाऊं यहाँ पे?
कैसे दिखाओ मतलब?
Okay, I think this particular argument.
कैसे दिखाओ? Statement है तो statement दिखाओ, मैं तुम्हारी बात क्यों मानूं?
नहीं, तुम मेरी बात सुन रहे हो? दिखा दो तुमको दिखा दो. तुम आपसे
आप दिखा दीजिए आकाशदीप जी. आप दिखा. Okay, more news, and we are showing you another expense. Toilet हो गया, vanity हो गया, आपका cupboard हो गया, carpet हो गया, everything is fine. Now let's show you doors. Extra for superior class wooden door. You know what's interesting is that throughout this document, if you look at some of the headers, the word superior jumps out at you because no expense is spared. Superior class stone, superior class wooden doors, and automatic sliding glass doors. What is the expense there? 41,81,820. Which also is actually kind of curious, Ravi Srivastava, क्योंकि मुख्यमंत्री के बंगले पे तो लोग होते हैं दरवाजा खोलने और बंद करने के लिए, तो स्लाइडिंग डोर की क्या जरूरत है? आप ऑटोमेटिक डोर क्यों? 41 लाख. आप नॉर्मल डोर लगा लो ना, तो थोड़ा कम खर्चा होता है. आपके पास तो एनीवे लोग हैं जो कि खोलेंगे बंद करेंगे. रवि श्रीवास्तव, 41,81,000 spent on superior class wooden doors and automatic sliding glass doors. Ravi Srivastava.
I don't trust any of these documents, any of these figures. I don't know who are the people signed it. I don't find any application.
I will tell you actually, they're right here. Focus on this. Assistant engineer sitting at Vikas Bhavan, executive engineer. You've got superintendent engineer, Central and New Delhi, executive engineer, Central and New Delhi, assistant engineer, works, PWD Zone East, and then you have the Mukhya Abhiyanta, which is the chief engineer. तो आपके 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 लोगों ने इस पे साइन किया हुआ है। तो जब जबरदस्ती हो रही थी अरविंद केजरीवाल के साथ, तो 8 लोग जबरदस्ती साइन करके कह रहे थे उनको कि आप बस ले लो पर्दे आज, चाहे
तो
दो।
आपने अरविंद केजरीवाल ने ये चीजें कब डिमांड की, आप तो मुझे ये दिखाइए। मुझे क्या
उन्होंने कब रिफ्यूज किया, आप ये बताइए। उन्होंने कब रिफ्यूज किया?
Where they did it, that is your narrative. I don't know who did it, where they did it, where these figures come from, what kind of statement is this?
Okay, one second, I'll tell you why. Ravi ji, एकदम logical बात बोलता हूँ. For extra shower enclosure and curtains and railing and staircase covering, 91 lakh rupees. I'm certain Mr. Kejriwal, if he did not want shower curtains like this, it was so expensive, he could have told Satyendra, bhai Satyendra, ज़्यादा हो रहा है, मत लगाइए. I'm sure he could have said this. He could have called Satyendra and he could have said, Satyendra, ये ज़्यादा हो रहा है. In 91 lakh रुपए का shower curtain और staircase railing क्या करेंगे? यार छोड़ दे इसको. He could have done that. I'm just presuming that when there was superior specification and artistic and ornamental work for which 1 crore was spent, he could have called up and he could have said, मत करो ये.
But you know, things sometimes when you're a humble person, people tend to think that you're a pushover, even if it means that 45 crore rupees worth of these embellishments are being put in your house. And as a final word, because we're also being joined by Union Minister Piyush Goyal in just a second, let me end with this: extra for artistic and ornamental work, and that is about 2 crore 16 lakh spent right here. Now remember, you've already had wood paneling code, POP done. You've got glass doors, you've got sliding doors, static doors, all kinds of doors, and then there is some extra ornamental work which is also being done, and it's worth 2 crore 16 lakhs. Final word, Tushar Gupta. There should be an investigation. Everyone's open to it. Final word, Tushar Gupta.
Someone should just compare the current market prices for all the utilities and the objects and all the appliances or whatever that were bought, and compare that with the amount that has been quoted in the bill. Because all this terminology, superior doors, superior this, superior that, something doesn't seem right about it, because the expenditure alone doesn't make sense. 45 crores में तो civil lines में 3 बंगलों आ जाते हैं. ये कैसी renovation हो रही है? Ravi Srivastava ji, don't be rattled. Everyone is just asking for a fair investigation.
Okay, but that being said, it is entirely possible that people like us may not know good marble when we see it. People like us don't really have the taste which deserves curtains worth lakhs. But people who are paying taxes definitely deserve a few of those answers. Why was it necessary? Was there any crime need? Why was this prioritized? That's the simple thing. A head of state deserves to live in comfort and deserves to live securely. But there's a huge gap between comfort and safety and splurge of taxpayers. That's why these questions are being asked.